Welcome to Igbo History TV once more. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Simon Ekpa, the leader of the autopilot IPOB and the disciple of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, has roared that they will engage Nigerian government in a guerrilla warfare if they fail to give them Biafra, and there will be no election in Biafra land. He also stressed that they will do everything possible to make sure that election did not hold in Biafra land. I want you to watch this video by yourself.
This is the 4th day of October 2022. Some of you have been asking how the election will affect the Biafra restoration next year, 2023. And this is what I have for you today. As the Nigeria state, terrorist state, are planning to conduct the election in 2023, Biafra people are preparing to exit Nigeria. And the exiting Nigeria will start from stopping Nigeria election in Biafra territory. So we are going to fight to make sure nobody will vote in Biafra land. So we are taking our own destiny into our own hand. We are taking our future into our own hand. And in 2023, after we successfully stop the Nigeria from conducting election in Biafra land, the door will be open. It is going to be either the exit of Biafra in peace, or Biafra will engage the Nigeria state in guerrilla warfare. It is going to last for a while. We are ready and we have decided to leave Nigeria, and it will start immediately we have successfully stopped the election. The only election that will be allowed in Biafra territory, according to the resolve of the Biafra people, is only the referendum. That is going to be two options. One is peaceful exit, which will give room and create room for referendum, or the war option, which is we are going to decide how the guerrilla warfare against the Nigeria state will start. And let me tell you, we have gone this road before. This is not the first time. This is not even the second time. The war against the Biafra people have not ended. This war started as far back as 1945. And I'm happy to announce to Biafra people that by next year, 2023, we're going to end this war once and for all. And whatever differences we have within, we are going to sort them out. Immediately Biafra is restored as a nation. Thank you. This evening, I will be explaining in details, how the no election in Biafra land will facilitate Biafra restoration next year. Thank you. And be part of that program.
Gabriel Anyang,
yes, sir.
police officer,
Yes, sir.
from State CID.
Yes, sir.
Whether you are sports council or whatever, this is Gabriel Anyang, a police officer from State CID. Today, stroke Ebubago, all this rubbish, idiotic police youth that's supposed to join the movement, the moving train, and you went and joined the slow train. Slow train, did they told you that that slow train is going to win? No. In this life, there is two things in this life, whether good or bad, or life and death.
Oh.
Since you have choose a wrong path to join rubbish police Nigeria Zoo Force, today will mark your end.
Ah.
Yes.
Lord.
Today will mark your end, idiot. Next time, try nonsense to join Ebubago. And I'm telling all these fucking youth that is joining Ebubago police force, Nigeria police zoo country that is suffering you people from being something that you're supposed to be. Ordinary Cameroon country. You go there, you will not see where NEPA will off for one day. But here in Nigeria, we are answering giant of Africa, and that fucking giant of Africa, no light in my place for complete 15 years. Thunder fire on. young youth who can join hand and make sure that things will come together for us to fight the zoo and move them so we can be good. My friend, today is your end. Nonsense.